The last thing I want to show you is how I'm going to put a brad, like a swing tab on this page. I'm not very good at swing tabs, but I haven't placed this paper down on the page, and I just put a brad through the paper that I'm going to use as a swing tab. And so what I need to do is just kind of take a pencil and mark where I want to put the brad so I know where to put the hole here. Now these overlap just a hair, so really I only need one swing tab, and it should be enough to keep both of these panels down. So I'm going to say, you know what, I'm going to say I'm just going to put it right below the green matting. So all I need to do is to get a pokey tool and place a hole. Let me see again. About right there. I hope this works. Okay, so now I will put the brad through there. And I do want it pretty tight. And then before I put the page on, I put a little bit of scotch or masking tape. And let's just do a dry run here to see what happens. Will it keep it closed? I think it will. This should have been under. I think it will. So it'll look like that. All right. So I did not end up putting a closure on the book because the spine was big enough that even with pictures it should close nicely, so I don't have a tie or ribbon or anything. And then I just used the Tim Holtz vintage camera die and the elements that were sent to me from the collection. So if you want to take a peek, I'm going to do a walkthrough. So I will link the walkthrough video in the description box so that you can see what it looks like all the way completed. All right, everybody, thank you. And if you need those supplies, they're at countrycraftcreations.com.